Okay, hello dear friends. So I turned on the fire and I have some broccoli cleaned up and with yesterday's meat sauce. And let's cook it. I have some carrot from making some salad left over. You do not want to throw it away, right? Put it in. Perfect. No oil first, because you do not want it to be too splash, right? Turn on the fire and cooking oil. Hello. Bye-bye. And salt and pepper. And then salt and pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. And then pepper. Hello. Okay. This one is it is good now. I was thinking, it's not good. Okay, we change fire, change to here, so it will not make this jealousy sound. Oh, bye-bye. 对，放着。Turn the fire slow. And hello, bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye. So we put salt and pepper and that's it. And then a big generous spoonful of the meat sauce. So let it cook for 5 minutes something, and I clean up my table. Okay, let's take a look. 2 minutes later. Looks good. I think some cornstarch will make it good. So I will prepare some gravy. So I make some gravy, that should be sufficient because it's not a soup. Some water, a little bit more water. One more minute, it will be good. such is it. Bon appetito!